Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best camping kits is probably one of the most important pieces of gear you'll take on any camping trip, no matter how short or long, because accidents can happen anytime, anywhere, and you need to be prepared for anything that may come your way, from minor cuts and scrapes to more serious injuries. A well-stocked kit can mean the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major medical emergency. Number 5. EVERLIT 250 Pieces Kit. It's the ultimate survival kit, designed by experts for families and outdoor enthusiasts. This compact and robust kit is a must-have for any emergency. It exceeds OSHA guidelines, providing more than enough supplies to handle a family emergency. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. The military-grade bag is made of water-resistant nylon. Its 3 compartments and straps keep everything organized, and it attaches to any MAL system. It includes essential survival tools, a space blanket, flashlight, paracord bracelet, flint, knife, and more. You'll be prepared for anything. It's great for outdoor adventures, home, or the office. With comprehensive contents, it ensures you're prepared anywhere, anytime. What we like. It's packed with everything you need for any emergency, exceeding OSHA guidelines. The durable, military-grade MAL pouch keeps it organized and easily accessible. If you're looking for a complete, versatile kit for any adventure, this is the one for you. What people say. The bag itself is well designed and constructed. It has straps for nearly any application or storage with super strong synthetic fabric, webbed belts, and Velcro. It should last a good long time. The items included are sensible and appear to be of high quality. The organization of the interior pouches and the way it folds open makes looking for what I need simple and quick. The quick release clip and pull off Velcro means that while it's mounted on my pack, I can pull it off quickly without undoing any MAL clips. Number 4. Surviveware 98 Kit. It's packed with 98 high-quality supplies to handle minor injuries. You'll find everything you need for cuts, scrapes, and burns, all neatly organized. This kit is clearly labeled, so you can quickly locate what you need during an emergency. No more frantic searching. It's made from durable, water-resistant material that can withstand rough conditions. Your supplies stay protected, no matter the adventure. With its portable design and mounting straps, it's perfect for cars, backpacks, or boats. Take it anywhere you go. Created by adventurers, for adventurers, it provides peace of mind knowing you're prepared for anything. It's also FSA/HSA eligible. What we like. This kit is perfectly organized for quick access to essential supplies. Its water-resistant design ensures your supplies stay protected, no matter the conditions. If you value organization and protection, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Beautifully designed and packed comprehensive first aid kit suitable for home, office, or outdoor use. Everything as advertised, well organized, and it's shipped very quickly. Unlike some other kits, this one comes with a splint and quality accessories such as fabric scissors and tweezers. Bag is a MAL system with 2 handles, buckle strap, sturdy zippers. Everything is labeled and has its own compartment. There's also a little one to bring with you or put in your car. The labeled pockets are great, it keeps everything right where it needs to be. And makes taking inventory on items quick and easy. You know exactly what you have, or are running low on at a glance. Everything is accessible and clearly marked, which helps keep from digging around searching for things in an emergency. Number 3. Thrive First Aid Kit. It's fully equipped with everything you need for minor injuries and emergencies. This comprehensive kit ensures you are prepared for almost any situation. The supplies inside meet the highest standards. You can trust it to provide reliable care when you need it most. Whether you're at home, in your car, or out on a hike, it's the perfect companion for peace of mind. Keep it handy wherever you go. Its durable case and multiple pockets keep everything neatly organized and easily accessible. Finding what you need is quick and simple. It's easy to carry along wherever your adventures take you. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel and outdoor activities. From everyday scrapes to unexpected emergencies, it's there for you. It's suitable for home, office, school, or any adventure. It meets the highest safety and quality standards. You can trust in its reliability and effectiveness. What we like. It boasts an impressive number of high-quality medical supplies. The durable case keeps everything organized and easily accessible. If you need a kit for home, work, or any adventure, this one's got you covered. What people say. The bag itself was a nice size. It's not outrageously big, but it's also not so small that you'd have a hard time locating it in a car or in your house. As I picked up the bag, I was impressed with the water-repellent material it's made of. It doesn't look like it's going to fall apart within a week or even a year or more. I unzipped the bag with ease and found the zipper to be sturdy. It opens very smoothly. The 3 compartments that make up the bag are of decent size and allow space if you'd like to add additional items to your bag. There is going to be plenty of room in this bag for those additional items. Number 2. Trauma First Aid Kit. It features a clear labeling system, so you can quickly find what you need, even in an emergency. This makes it easy to provide immediate help. Its MAL system lets you attach it to your car, backpack, or any gear. It's ready for any adventure. It's lightweight and compact, measuring just 7.9 x 5.9 x 3.6 and weighing only 1.3 pounds. Take it anywhere with ease. It's fully stocked with more than enough supplies to handle emergencies for a family or group of friends. It's perfect for any situation. Whether you're hiking, camping, traveling, or just keeping it in your car, it's ready to handle any first aid needs. It's your reliable companion. We're committed to providing excellent customer service. Contact us if you have any questions or issues. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Finding what you need is easy thanks to its clear labeling system. The MAL system allows for easy attachment to your gear. If you need a compact, organized kit for on-the-go use, this is perfect. What people say. The Homestock Plus First Aid Kit is incredibly comprehensive, covering all the essentials one might need in an emergency. The kit includes high-quality bandages, antiseptic wipes, scissors, and much more, all neatly organized in a durable, compact case. What sets this kit apart is its thoughtful design. The reflective strip on the outer packaging ensures it's easy to locate even in low-light conditions. The internal compartments are well labeled, making it easy to find exactly what you need quickly. This is a first aid kit for almost any emergency. We are a very active family, hiking, camping, traveling. This carries just about anything to solve life's little boo-boos. Number 1. Surviveware Premium Kit. It's packed with 98 first aid supplies to handle minor injuries. You'll also find a CPR mask and a handy guide. Everything is clearly labeled and easy to find, even under pressure. No more frantic searching during an emergency. It's completely waterproof, thanks to its durable materials and tight seals. It can even withstand being submerged for 30 minutes at a meter deep. Weighing just 1 pound, it's perfect for travel. The MAL straps let you easily attach it to your backpack or gear. Created by adventurers, for adventurers. It provides peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for anything. It's also an FDA-registered medical device and HSA/FSA eligible. What we like. It's completely waterproof, keeping your supplies safe from the elements. Its lightweight and compact design makes it ideal for any adventure. If you need a waterproof kit for extreme conditions, this is your best bet. What people say. The waterproof and durable case instills confidence that the contents will stay protected in any weather condition. The organization of supplies is impeccable, with clearly labeled compartments making it easy to locate what is needed in a hurry. The inclusion of high-quality medical essentials, from sterile bandages and trauma shears to an emergency blanket and CPR kit, showcases the thoughtfulness and thoroughness of Surviveware. The MAL-compatible design allows for easy attachment to backpacks, ensuring it's always within reach. It's small enough to store and carry around, it won't fit in your pocket like some other that are pictured bigger than they are. The inside has clearly labeled compartments for all included first aid accessories. There is also an area for personal and other medications. All well laid out and easy to access. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.